Closing market comments for Thursday, October the 1st. The markets were pretty quiet today overall. Corn closed up 3, beans unchanged, and wheat down 7 to 8 cents. All the grains were up at one time, had a little rally going. We did test the highs in soybeans from yesterday and made new highs for the move in corn today, but did sell off as the day went on and would expect some hedge pressure to hit, especially tomorrow with the weekend and harvest activity that hopefully will be going on. Funds were huge buyers yesterday, buying 100 million bushels of corn and 100 million bushels of beans, and that was the big push up in the markets after we broke through support or resistance in the 200-day moving average. That just pushed us on through, and we had huge support. Today, the funds were still in the market buying, but they bought about 5,000 contracts of corn, 3,500 of wheat, and 3,000 of beans. So much quieter day. Quite a bit of hedge pressure again with the market. The farmers selling was quite strong yesterday. Still saw quite a bit of selling today happening as well. USDA did announce the sale of 120,000 metric tons of soybeans to Egypt. Unusual for Egypt to buy from us, but when you look at the fact that Brazil's out of beans, that's probably the reason. Brazil and Argentina are both promoting that the farmer tax that they have on exports be lowered, so they try and encourage sales, but not sure what success they're going to have. Dry weather there continues to have the farmer reluctant to plant, and talk of La Nina causing more dry weather later on in the growing season has the farmer pretty reluctant to do much of anything right now as far as selling, especially with the market going higher. Weekly export sales were announced today. Corn sales of 79.8 million. That's down from last week at 84.2, but above last year at 11.2. Expected range of 31 to 55, and the needed sales per week at 27.7. Soybean sales of 95.2 million. That's down from last week at 117.4, but above last year at 76.9, with 55 to 92 expected and 14.8 million needed per week. Wheat sales 18.6. Last week 12.9, last year 12.1, expected range of 7 to 18 and needed of 12.8. So you can see all three grains exceeded the top end of the range of the expectations. So very good export sales continue. This crop is very highly sold on the front end, and with expectations of China taking the majority of that stuff going out, a lot of unknown sales still on the books as well. And at the second half of the year, South America will come in and be the supplier, and things could be slower. So we'll have to see how that comes. One last note, Stone came out with their survey numbers today. They have corn yield at 179. That's down from 179.6 in September. They have soybean yield nationally at 52.4. That's down from 52.9. Indiana yield at 190 on corn, and soybean yield at 60 is where they've got us estimated. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.